Hi, I'm Michael Tang from the house, and this is a short video on how to loft from in front of the ball return. So the thing with moving left is that sometimes there's this darn ball return in the way.
Bruh.
What are you gonna do about it? You have to stand in front when the lanes are cooking. Some ball returns are gonna be longer than others. This one's pretty average length, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out the first 2 steps of my 5-step approach, and I'm just gonna visualize those 2 steps in my brain, and I'm gonna push when I feel like the 2nd step is going in my head, and from there it's all about timing and getting that the last 3 steps going. So you see there, just like my 5-step approach, I'm gonna get that ball going when I get my 3rd step going, which is actually my 1st step when I'm in front of the ball return. And that's the key, is to get your timing down with the push and your 1st step. And after you get that figured out, it's all a cakewalk from there. Alright guys, that's how it's done in front of the ball return. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comment and we'll get to them. For merch, just like the official House Hoodie V2, go to thehousebowling.com, check out all of our selections. You can get merch from Bowl DMC, Brad and Kyle, and the other people, but why would you want merch from them? So, thanks for watching, and loft them all.